In this modern era of technology, cartoons and animation shows are a prime source of entertainment. Millions of people are generating significant revenue from these animation programs. Thus, animators always keep striving for the best free animation software tools for marketing purposes. The selection of the animation software purely depends upon the project you are working on. Some people have to work on building different games, while some have to create a cartoon show. You must know enough about these fundamental animation software tools and the motion composition of 2D and 3D animation models to convey your story correctly. If you are wondering about the best software tools that enable you to create moving graphics from graphic files and allow you to do variations of 2D, 3D computer generating or hand-drawn illustrations along with adding some good pieces of music or other additional effects, then don't worry, you are merely at the correct place. We are presenting you the list of top 10 best free animation software tools. Here we go. Number 1. Adobe After Effects. You can create a fantastic variety of animations using Adobe After Effects, such as 2D vector animation, basic 3D animation, character animation, kinetic, typography, UI UX mockup animations, and visual effects. Moreover, this software uses green screen technology for smoke, fire, background replacement, screen tracking, explosion, and others to represent the multitasking of After Effects. It contains an autofill feature to remove irrelevant portions from your visual content. The pre-composition feature assists in playing and displaying effects in a single clip. The keyframe feature of this animation software sets the start and end points of animation motion. Number 2. Blender. Blender offers advanced polygonal modeling. Get access to this system via Edit mode. It supports many geometric primitives and features such as scaling, extrusion, and subdividing. Also, this animation software features a modifier that allows you to apply non-destructive effects on rendering and exporting. Blenders can simulate smoke, cloth, rain, rigid bodies, dust, fluids, and hair. Nevertheless, blenders contain simulation tools for soft body dynamics like mesh collision detection, smoke simulation, bullet rigid body dynamics, LBM fluid dynamics, real-time control, and NS, a particle system supporting particle-based hair during physics simulation and rendering. In addition, it offers a 360-degree camera rotation to trace different objects. Number 3. Autodesk Maya. Autodesk Maya has artist-friendly 3D animation tools to animate and rig different characters and objects. It contains sophisticated modeling tools to create different characters and pose. This software has a non-linear, clip-based time editor to negotiate between key-level details and views. Maya offers a sweep mesh tool, pipeline integration, universal scene description plugin, Bifrost interface, physics effects, and many others. The integrated Arnold renderer tool maximizes users' performance on complicated projects. Cached playback helps the animator review animations quicker with fewer play blasts. It has blue pencil drawing tools to create 2D drawings and annotations in the viewport. Number 4. Houdini. Houdini has highly advanced simulation tools which allow users to create realistic visual content. In addition, this software has a node-based workflow, thus primarily designed for small studios, students, or individual artist work. It enables the animator to work faster to reduce timelines smoothly. Also, it enhances flexibility in your creative work. Moreover, it consists of all core features for complete tool sets such as lighting, procedural modeling, and animation. With Houdini, smoke and fire simulation presents a more realistic view and is quick to set up. You can create high-quality splashes and the white water effect by surfacing fluid particles at the geometry level. It consists of new Willem multi-solver, which brings fast cloth and other simulation tools such as hair, grains, and many others. 5. Pencil 2D. One of the most amazing things about Pencil 2D is that this animation software is open-ended and doesn't need money, even commercially. The software comes with versatile file export formats such as JPG, PNG, BMP, or TIFF for images, and video file formats are AVI, MP4, WebM, GIF, or APNG. It offers raster and vector image support. Seamlessly switch between the vector and raster workflow to create drawings and visuals using sketching and paints. Pencil 2D provides extensive software animation tools such as onion skinning, keyframe, layers, and panels. It also offers image tracing, image editing, and an image library. Number 6. Animaker. It creates animated videos by using pre-made graphics and horizontal and vertical video layouts, along with full HD support. The audio feature of Animaker allows you to add background music, sound effects, and text-to-speech voiceover options. Nevertheless, you can select the theme from the Animaker library of sound or choose your tune from your playlist. There are 200 plus tracks and sound effects are present to add to your videos. With 100 million character assets, Animaker's library is enormous and offers everything you need to create visual content. This software offers many advanced options. These include an in-app camera, multi-move curves, transition effects, and enter-exit effects. All these features assist you in making your presentation more impressive. Number 7. OpenToonz. There are digital drawing tools such as Vector and Bitmap used to create Toonz vector levels, Toonz raster levels, and standard raster levels. Also, you can create vectors from paper drawings. OpenToonz contains animated special effects and composite scenes. These effects include blurs, lighting, keys, masks, wraps, and hundreds of others. You can use the motion path or link object to execute complicated movements. It contains an ECMA-compatible scripting engine for scripting animation. There are indexed color palettes for faster paint and color changing. Number 8. Dragon Frame. There is a facility for a gamepad controller used to program motion control. Dragon Frame contains many animation tools such as looping, toggling, and online skin. Bring life to your creation by using these professional on-screen tools for accurate movements. So step, play, capture, and repeat the same. Also, this software controls the camera set to compose and light the perfect shots. Further, you can review and test these shots. It allows you to import and edit many different audio tracks, as it offers dialogue track reading for multiple characters. Thus, Dragon Frame is of a high-level industry standard. Number 9. Adobe Character Animator. Adobe Character Animator lets you use motion capture to create live animations of your 2D character. You can use the timeline pan for recording and editing different scenes. Virtual camera settings let users zoom, add pan, and other multiple effects. You can create an audio loop with an Adobe Character Animator and synchronize audio with the animation. It contains many export options for your creation. You can export in SVG, Flash, HTML5 Canvas, WebGL, and more. In addition, various pre-built templates are available on the Character Animator home screen. You can choose the template of your choice to create a new character by customizing animated characters. Use Characterizer or Puppet Maker for this purpose. Number 10. Crello. Crello is among the tremendous online graphic designing tools which allow users to create unique and professional-looking designs easily. Design images for blogs, YouTube, and other popular social media platforms. It offers an attractive and easy-to-use interface, simple for those beginners who have yet to use graphic designing tools. On the top left corner of the homepage, there is an option where you can choose 16 languages. Also, on scrolling the homepage, you will find pre-made templates in bulk. There is a Crello editor which supports the drag and drop feature, thus saving your precious time for selecting and uploading files. This editor has numerous features and settings to make animation quicker and easier. Crello contains 30,000 plus animated and static graphic designing templates, thus creating an elegant and impressive design for almost 80 plus formats. These include blog banners, Instagram stories, and TikTok videos, Facebook posts, t-shirt prints, flyers, ebook covers, animated logos, resume templates, and many more. It's always good to look at the customer's feedback and reviews before choosing a product. It makes it easy for you to reach at a certain decision. You can go for a product having positive feedback and good ratings. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, you can visit our website www.bestadvancedsoftwares.com. There you can read the detailed articles about top 10 best free animation software tools. You can also follow us on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. Don't forget to like and share this video.